not the 3, not the 2, I'm the UNO. Yeah. Numero UNO. Me and Drizzy, this shit like the Super Bowl.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be showing you guys a vacation vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys with me because I'm going to Mexico for my birthday. So I figured I'd show you guys my vacation prep. I'm going to show you hair, nails, lashes, wax, all the above. I'm also going to show you guys bits and pieces of my vacation. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to be doing my nails and my toes myself. I already prepped my nails and now I'm just going to size everything to make sure everything fits, and then I'm going to start the acrylic process. So I already filed and shaped my nails. Now I'm just going to dehydrate and prime them.
From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. I fucked your rain and went to tell my bros. Then usher ring and let it burn him on. I saw Saul and I talk rhyming, yeah, bitch. All the calls and we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. It reached that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. Hey, silver spoon, I know you come from your bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go ahead and rap it for vacation time. You and your girlfriend too bad, man. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind.
Okay, so I just got home from my facial. I feel very moisturized and very renewed. I feel like she did a super good job. She did some acne treatment, she did extractions, and she did some masks. So I feel like definitely a good skin prep. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, now we're going to my next appointment. Let's go.
First person shooter mode. Turning your son to a funeral. To them niggas that say they gon' office, you better be talking about working in cubicles. Yeah, them boys had a lot, but I knew the code. A lot of niggas debating my numero. Not the 3, not the 2, I'm the UNO. calling me my automa. Tell me what you want. You say you had enough, cause my time ain't enough. Girl, it's never enough for you. But you can wait until after tomorrow. Flawless, flawless, baby, what you call this? If this shit don't involve money, I'm off it. I can be your role model. Let me Hendrix.
Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. So we just got to the hotel. Soon as we arrived, they had somebody waiting there to collect our bags and take us to our room.
Tomorrow they do like a games for everybody. Maybe you can win the prize.
Okay, so we just got to my hotel room. This is how it looks. Let's go this way. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm just gonna close the door. To turn on the light, you just have to put the key card through here. So this is the bathroom. Very beautiful. Coming over here. And then we have the bathtub, the bathroom. This is the shower. Very beautiful. This is the TV. It comes with a complimentary bar. So when you open it, all the stuff in here is free. They refill it whenever you ask. If you don't ask, they come daily. So I think that's really sweet. Then also they give you complimentary water. They also give you complimentary alcohol. Then we have a deck. That looks, and we come back in the room. So this is how my hotel room looks. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm really impressed.
Don't need out tomorrow. I gotta be my automa. Tell me what you want. You say you had enough, cause my time ain't enough. Girl, it's never enough for you. But you can wait until after tomorrow.
As soon as we got there, we decided to get some food because we were starving. We went to an all-inclusive resort, so that means the food is unlimited and it's all you can eat. The food was so delicious and there was so many different things to choose from and try.
No more Ghost Race or GT3. No more war shows, no MTV. So you always step back and then you leave. It's where you gon' go after you been with me. I done seen it all before I turned 23. I could teach you how to ball if you just let a nigga be. We be so high, that's why we so low key. She wanna.
So we decided to try a different restaurant. This night it was hibachi. We decided that night that we wanted to go see a performance, so right now we're walking through Mexico, getting ready to go see it.
Sí, en la estatua ya está.